Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava sugar syrup. First, gather your ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and fresh lemon juice. The key is the right ratio, typically 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. This balance ensures a rich, sweet syrup. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice is crucial. It prevents the sugar from crystallizing, keeping your syrup smooth and clear. This simple combination forms the foundation of perfect baklava. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your measured sugar and water in a saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This initial step is important for a smooth syrup. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Avoid stirring once it boils to prevent crystallization, ensuring a clear and beautiful syrup for your baklava. To elevate your syrup, consider adding flavorings. A teaspoon of orange blossom water or rose water, added towards the end of simmering, provides an authentic touch. Continue to simmer the syrup for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a slightly thickened consistency, but it should still be pourable. Remember, the syrup needs to be thin enough to be fully absorbed by the warm baklava, creating that delightful moistness. The final step is crucial for perfect baklava. Once your syrup has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. It's essential that the syrup is cold when you pour it over your hot, freshly baked baklava. This temperature contrast allows the baklava to absorb the syrup beautifully, preventing sogginess and ensuring every layer is infused with sweetness. Enjoy your homemade baklava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.